Hi, today's video is all going to be about work from home jobs that you can do without no experience or very little experience. Now I'm going to show you what sort of type of jobs you can actually go and start earning from, the sites you can use to start earning these jobs, and also I'll be sharing my number one recommendation of how I make money online. And so stay tuned right to the very end and I'll be showing you exactly how I do that as well. So lots to get through, so let's crack on, head over to the desktop and we'll start going through at least 10 different work from home jobs that you can start with no experience. Okay, so the first one we're going to talk about is being a translator. So if you are multilingual, if you're fluent in other languages, then you can become a translator and you can get paid quite well for doing that. Now there are various sites that I would recommend that you can go and check out. As we go through this video, I'm going to show you different sites where you can obviously go and actually use these sites to actually go and get jobs as well. With the translation, I would certainly look at sites such as Gengo and also Transcribe Me. So there are two sites that you could actually go and look at that would actually be in that particular niche. Okay, there are other sites as well where you can go and obviously post and for jobs, etc. And I'll be covering those after I've had a quick rundown of the rest of these actual jobs that you can be doing. And remember, also stay tuned right to the very end because I will be going through my top recommendation for earning money online. And again, you can do that with zero experience. Okay, the second one that you can actually do is become a social media manager. As we know, obviously companies and businesses are all going online now. This is the way to go to get a good online presence. And they need someone to obviously operate their social media presence, come up with logos, do content programs, all that sort of thing, so that they are in the forefront of their obviously followers and potential customers in the future. So you could go and do that, and you could use, if you did become that, you could use sites such as Buffer or even Hootsuite just to actually manage all that. That would help you manage that particular jobs. And again, there are jobs posted on some of the freelance websites, which I'll be telling you more about very shortly. Now, okay, if you didn't actually want to actually go and do actual social media management, but you actually wanted to go and create content for people. So in other words, you could be the content creator, you could create images, could create videos, could create blog posts, articles, all that sort of thing, press releases, and then submit them to the company, and then they can use their social media manager or themselves to go and then post that content. So that's another great way of starting your own business as a content producer, and when you'll be working with businesses and individuals online just doing that. And with that in mind, it brings you to the fourth one that I'm going to look at, and that is video creation. Now, video is huge these days, certainly with YouTube as it is, but even Facebook, there's video on Instagram, also TikTok, those sort of things are really massive at the moment. So video is where it's going to be. And you could create content for companies and businesses and individuals on video. And you could use a site such as Vidnami, which would then give you the tools to go and make these videos that you could then sell to businesses as a job, okay, which you can do from home. Now, I will be putting a link to some of these sites below, and with Vidnami, it is a paid product. So, but I have got a special discount with you below, discount code below that you can use to get 25% off the monthly fee. Now, it's only a small monthly fee after the 25% comes off. So check it out if you're interested in video content creation. Then obviously check out Vidnami and the link in the description below. Now, another thing you could do is come up with is software testing. Companies and obviously app producers, all that sort of thing, always look to have their apps and their software tested by individuals. And you can actually go and become a tester for some of these softwares, and you could get paid handsomely for doing just that. So another one that entails quite a few of these things is becoming a virtual assistant. Now again, this could incorporate loads of these different jobs all in one under one roof. So you can be a sort of like a jack of all trades, various different roles, all for one company or one individual. Now also you could become someone who creates and generates leads for businesses. Now people are always looking for leads, businesses and again individuals, online individuals who are marketing online are always crying out for leads. So you could become a lead generator for these people, and it's very, very simple to do. Again, guys, it really is, and there's no experience really needed, and part of that will be covered in what I do and how I'm making money at the end of this video. So stay tuned if this is something that either you're after leads yourself or you want to become a lead generator for people. Now, other great work from home jobs you can do with no experience required is something like blog writing. Now, blog writing, again, blogging is very, very big at the moment, and people are always looking to have blogs written for them. They haven't got the time to write them themselves. Some of these blogs are posting like 3 or 4 blogs per day. So they want to, on different topics of which you could probably go and do the research and then do a 2,000 word article easily with no experience. Some other things you could do is things like logo design or social media banners and things like that, headers for Facebook, Twitter, all that sort of thing. And you could use a site called Canva, which I use for a lot of my images. And certainly some of my logos I've used Canva, which is a free site that you can go and actually use straight off the bat. So again, no experience needed, and obviously won't cost you a penny to get started. Now the last one we're just going to go over here quickly is you could end up actually doing things like voiceovers and things like that for videos for companies, and again for entrepreneurial individuals that want videos made but don't actually want to be in the video themselves. So again, that is another great opportunity there you can have where you can work from home. Now, all of these things and more are available through various different sites. And let's quickly go over those sites now. We can go and find hundreds of these jobs that are available at just a click of a button. A few of these sites that I'm going to just show you now, this is where a lot of these jobs you can go and actually either bid for certain jobs, or you can post that you can actually do these types of jobs and people will obviously approach you. Now the first one is called Upwork, and as you can see here there are loads and loads of different sections, different ways that you can actually go and make money. Some of them we have obviously covered here: writing and translation for one, marketing, video and audio creation, that sort of thing. So again, there's loads of different jobs here, guys. So check out upworker.com. Second one I want to cover quickly is fiverr.com. Now with Fiverr it works slightly differently, is you put up gigs and then people can obviously then buy that gig from you, and that will be either to do a blog article, things like that, digital marketing, graphics, so logo design, that sort of thing. So you can then go and create an account, free account, post your gigs, and then people come and buy those gigs, and then you just deliver them. So another way you can use this site, which is called freelancer.com. And again, as it says here, hire the best freelancers for any job online. And again, that works very similar to Upwork. And the last one I want to just cover is called People Per Hour. And again, that is very similar to the Freelancer and to the Upwork as well. And again, all free, guys. You can check these out. You can sign up for them, and you can become a freelancer working from home, doing all these jobs, many of them of which you can start with no experience. Now, I said at the beginning of the video that I was going to share with you exactly my #1 recommendation for creating money online, and that is called affiliate marketing. So it's not exactly a job, it's somewhere that you'll actually be creating your own business. So you will be in sole control of that business, and you will obviously, with affiliate marketing, you go and you promote other people's products and services, and then when a customer then buys through your link and you make a sale, then you will get an agreed amount of commission from that company. Okay, so you've got no setup costs, nothing at all, and you can start this from day one and be profitable. At the end of this video, I will give you a link to another video, and that is one of the systems that I'm using. It's called the OLSP system, where you can get full training, which is totally free, on how to set up and start earning through their system, which is basically using affiliate marketing to create an income and a business. So check that video out as well at the end of this video. And if you've got any questions, obviously put them in the comments below here or on the video itself that is obviously all about the OLSP system. Okay, I trust you found it interesting, useful. If you did, obviously smash up the old like button below. Also, drop us a comment below and tell us what sort of jobs you're going to be starting to do and trying to do, or maybe you're already doing them. So obviously let us know in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and then you'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.